Do you want a clean way to follow US-based retail stores without blowing up your inbox? Head over to SalesGazer.com and log in. Once you're in, hit the Inbox tab. And from here, just start searching for the retail stores you care about, like Best Buy, Target, Walgreens, or whatever you're sourcing from. And here's the key. Make sure you filter by US websites only so you're not getting distracted by international deals. Just hit this gear icon and select USA. And you can just toggle this button if you want to subscribe on that retail store. Now, all your deal emails from US stores. Boom, right in one place. You're ready to scan, source, and flip. Want to turn this into a daily routine that actually pays? Tap the link in the description and sign up for the OA Challenge. It's where they teach you how to find, evaluate, and flip deals like a pro. Let's go stack some wins.